the working world and workforce landscape is changing. You have specific industries that are on the rise. We know in our rural capital area, you're talking hospitality, you're talking industry, warehouse, production, and medical. And so we can help you connect with your employers in your backyard, close to you, to find that rewarding career. And that's what I'm hoping for in 2024, that we continue to provide really good services and connect you to what you need to do so that you're successful. So we really wanted to start off 2024 with Meet the Team, the Facilitator team. I'm Leslie Stearns, Lead Talent Development Facilitator at Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area. Now, our rural capital area is just that. We're in the 9 counties around Travis. So I happen to work in what we call our South area. I see folks from San Marcos, Lockhart, Caldwell counties. And what we do is we offer workshops and events and trainings to help people be successful in their career search. But I wanted you to meet the team. So this is William Russell and Skye Quintero. They both work out of different offices as well. William, let them know where you work.
Thank you, Leslie. I work out of the Round Rock office, and I cover the north area. That includes Burnett, Williamson, and Llano counties. Now, being housed in the Round Rock office, it is a large office and is typically very busy, which keeps me on my toes. I've really appreciated and enjoyed being able to lead workshops since moving to the Facilitator team, and especially those that I've been able to do in person. Recently, I've been able to reach out to the community and provide some in-person workshops to local high school students who are transitioning into their adult lives and careers post-secondary education. Skye, where are you at?
Thank you, William. I'm actually located our east side. I cover the counties Bastrop, Lee, and Fayette. I'm based out of the LaGrange office. And kind of what I do on a daily basis is help. My desk is kind of up front near where our receptionists are, so I get to see a little bit more hands-on. Customers come in day to day, and one of my favorite activities working with customers is going to probably be doing mock interviews. Being the last person they see before sending them off into the interview is really rewarding to see, especially when they get to come back in and say, Skye, I got the job. So that's always rewarding, as well as, reviewing cover letters, resumes, anything that the customers need to make sure they're successful in their job search.
And I really have to take pride of the team that we have built together. We come from sort of different backgrounds, different ages. And the types of workshops that we offer are everything from how to write a resume, getting interview ready, as well as cover letters. But we also are fortunate enough to tailor our workshop content to the needs of our community. And so one of the things that I like to sort of hone in on is workshops for the older worker. Somebody that's either 50 or older, transitioning into a new job, how to fight ageism. That can happen whether you're younger or older. What's one of your favorite topics, William?
Well, you put me on the spot, now I have to say something. I think the Effective Resumes workshop is one of my favorites. We do it pretty often. We try to get it in there once a week, 2-3 times a month. And the value that I think people get out of it is really exceptional. I really look forward to getting feedback every time I do that workshop, because without fail, someone reaches out afterwards to thank us, to let us know what valuable information was in there, or in some cases, things that they hadn't thought of before. And I really enjoy getting that feedback.
And I agree with you, because the feedback is paramount, and because we're listening. We try to make our content relevant to what our job seekers need. So we have the standard workshop events, but what's one of your favorites, Skye?
Mine would have to be preparing for the interview. Like I said, I really enjoy setting up a mock interview with our customers, but going from the very beginning and the whole process, even starting with first impressions matter, with the interviewer that you're walking in, down to what to wear, even showing up on a timely matter, and getting all your documents together, references, and taking the time to always remember to thank the interviewer for taking the time, consideration for conducting the interview.
And I just want to say it's really easy for you to be part of our workshops. Currently, they are virtual events, and you can register at our website, www.workforcesolutionsrca.com. To register for a workshop, you can take it more than once. The topics are sort of, you get different perspectives from the entire team here. But you can also look at all of our different services that we provide. And so that's everything from live events to matching you with assessment tools so that you can sort of maybe pursue or pivot to a brand new career. And tell everybody how they can come into our offices and meet with a staff member.
So everyone can come into their offices. We have frontline RTESs. They'll help you with unemployment or getting you registered for work in Texas. Once you do get signed on to work in Texas, you'll go to our calendar where we have the full month of workshops and you can sign up.
Skye, tell everybody how they can connect with us.
Well, all of our customers can connect to us by stopping in at any of their local Workforce Solutions, which you can check that out on our website. But you don't need an appointment necessary at all. At all times, staff is available to you, whether it's the front desk or us in the back. Feel free to stop in. William, are there some things that you're excited for this new year?
Well, I would have to say that I'm very excited about the refreshing of content that we've been working on. All three of us have been working pretty hard behind the scenes at taking our workshops, revamping them, refreshing them, make sure that the content that we have is current and up to date. So I'm really looking forward to providing some new and fresh information through our workshops.
Skye, what are you hoping for 2024?
I'm hoping to see more of y'all's lovely faces and more attendance in our workshops, and maybe even one day we could have some in person. That's what kind of I'm hoping for. William?
Oh, back to me. You know, other than that updated information, I'm really looking forward to connecting more with our customers. It's always a joy to be able to interact with them face to face, or to hear afterwards that they got that job or that training got them a promotion or a raise.
Love that.
Yes, absolutely. And what about you, Leslie?
Again, I just want to say that I'm excited to be part of this wonderful team, and as well as all of the staff at Workforce Solutions, whether it's business service consultants reaching out for those employers. We have case managers for different programs, whether it's SNAP Choices or Workforce Innovation Opportunity Act, case managed training programs. We offer a myriad of services. So check out our website, www.workforcesolutionsrca.com. Look at our services, find the team, sign up for a workshop, and I guess we'd like to say we're looking forward to 2024.
Absolutely.
Thank y'all. Bye.